Yes, welcome to our next class, students. In our last video, we have done up to exercise C. Today, we'll be doing exercise 6th D. Okay, I taught you three different methods of solving simultaneous equation. So, just have a look. This is question number 1, 9 upon x. You can see here the variables are in the denominator. Clear? So, how to do these kind of sums? Let 1 over x is equal to A. Let 1 over y is equal to B. Now in that case, this equation will become 9, 1 over x what we have taken a minus this will become 4b is equal to 8. This is the second equation. So this equation will become 13a plus 7b is equal to 101. Now these two equations I wrote in the standard form. Now you know three ways to solve. So I solved. I told you the easiest way is the method of elimination. So in that case, what I told you, that either you can take variable of A or B. That is your wish. Any one variable you can select. I selected B over here. So multiply this equation 1 with the coefficient of B and this equation with the coefficient of 4. So this equation will become 9 7s are 63A minus 7 4s are 28B, 7 8s are 56, 13 4s are 52. 7 4s are 28. When you will multiply, you will get this. Now children, you can see both are same and they are with the opposite sign. Our motive is to cancel them. So if simply I'll add, they'll get cancelled. Added 115a is equal to 460. From here you can find the value of a. So a is equal to what? 4. What was a? Our original question was in the form of x. And we need to find the value of x. What was a? 1 over a is equal to 92 by 23. So in that case, x will be 1 by 4. Yes, now put this value in any equation, either 1 or 2 or original equation you can replace it. This was our original equation. 9 upon, what was the value of x? 1 over 4 I substitute minus 4 over y is equal to 8. This 4 will be taken in the numerator. 36 will multiply with 9. 9 4s are 36 minus 4 over y is equal to 8. Transpose it this side, it will become minus and minus will get cancelled. So 4, take 28 this side, y that side, your answer is 1 by 7. Now question number 4, you can see here x is in the numerator only and y is in the denominator. One method I taught you, you can take 1 over y as any other variable a or b, or directly also it can be done. See how? See, I wrote the equation like that only. Now select the coefficient. What is the coefficient of y over here? This is 6 and 4. See children, what I did? I multiplied this equation with 2. This will become 12. And this equation I multiplied with 3. 4 3s are 12. And our motive is solved. You can multiply with the coefficient also, or you can multiply with any number which makes two terms same. So same thing I did. I multiplied 6 with 2 and 2 will multiply with the whole equation. 4 2s are 8x plus 12 over y, 15 2s are 30. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12 and 7 3s are 21. See, they both became same. Now they both are with the opposite sign. If you will add them, they will get cancelled. So these two terms will get cancelled because this is positive and this is negative. If you will add, they will get cancelled. Now 8 plus 9, 17x, added 51. From here the value of x is what? 3. So x we need. Now we need to find the value of y. Put x in first equation. I put it 4 into 3 plus 6 over y is equal to 15. 6 over y is equal to 15. Transpose it this side. 6 over y is equal to 3. And from here y is equal to 6 over 3, 2. Now this expression is given in the same question. Value of y and x already you found. Put the values and you are asked to find the value of a. Now transpose to this side. From here a will be 4 over 3. Now come to next question students. Sixth question is this. So how to do this question? Let 1 over x plus y is equal to a and 1 over x minus y is equal to b. If we will take this equation will become 20a plus 3b is equal to 7. This is our next equation. This is x minus y. What we have taken 1 over x minus y, that is b. So this will become 8b minus 15a is equal to 5. So this equation in the standard form, how can I write? Because there I have taken a in the first term as a first term. So 15 I took that side, 18 also, 8b also taken that side, so their signs will change, and when you will transpose 5 over here, it will become minus. Now these are the two equations. Okay, apply the same method. I multiplied with the coefficient of b here, 3 here, so this way you can obtain the value of a. Now put this value, see, after this you have to continue over here. A is what? 1 over 5. Value of a is what? 1 over 5. And what was a? A was 1 over x plus y. Clear? Because originally we have to find the value of x and y, because our original equation was in terms of x and y. Cross multiply, x plus y is equal to 5. Now put a in equation number 2. The same value, this equation number 2 will put the value of a, because we need to find the value of b also. This is equation number 2. This one is equation number 2. So 15 multiply, what was a? 1 over 5. I put the value over here. Minus 8b is equal to minus 5. When you will solve it, value of b you will get 1. And what was b? That was 1 over x minus y is equal to 1. After cross multiplication, you will get another equation, that is x minus y is equal to 1. So children, you got two another equations. X plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 1. So you must be thinking why again we are solving, because our original question was in the form of x and y. So we need to find the value of x and y. You can see both are same with the opposite signs. So simply you add it. If you add them, they will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. Now put this value in any equation. You will get y also. This is your answer. Now 7th question is of different kind. You are given x plus y is equal to 7xy. So in that case, students, what you have to do? Take xy this side. So x divided by xy plus y divided by xy is equal to 7. X and x will get cancelled. 1 over y. Here you will get 1 over x is equal to 7. Next equation is this. Same thing I did. Xy taken over here. Clear? And here you are left with minus 1 only. When the terms you will cut, you will get 2 over y minus 3 over x is equal to minus 1. I already told you, you can take 1 over x as a or 1 over y as b, or directly also you can solve over here. These are our two equations. This was our first equation. This is our second equation. So look children, here it is 1 over y, here it is 2 over y. So what I did, I multiplied this equation with 2. If I'll multiply it with 2, this term will become 2 over y. Plus, when you multiply 2 with this equation, it will become 2 over x is equal to 7 2s are 14. And I did not multiply this equation with any variable because my motive is solved. They became same. But they were positive. Both were positive. Now we need to subtract the equation. And beta, you know, when you will subtract it, all the signs of second equation will change. It was positive, will change to negative. It was negative, will change to positive. It was negative, will change to positive. Now this term will get cancelled. What is 2 over x plus 3 over x? That is 5 by x. And 14 plus 1 is 15. So what you will get? 5 over x is equal to 15. From here x is 1 by 3. Now put this value in any equation, either 1, either 2. I put it in equation number 1. In place of x, it was 1 over x. In place of x, I wrote 1 by 3. This 3 will be taken in the numerator. So 1 over y plus 3 is equal to 7. Take it that side and you can obtain the value of y. 8th question of this exercise. This is first equation. This is second equation. Clear? So what I did, children, any one term you have to make same. So what I did, I multiplied this equation with b square. If I multiply, it will become ab square over x. What was the term? ab square over x. So I did not multiply equation 2. Only first equation I multiplied with b square. So this will become ab square over x minus b square multiplied by b will be b cube over y is equal to 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Next term as it is. Now you can see both were positive, so we need to subtract it. And you know that when you will subtract, sign of second equations will change. It was positive, will become negative. Positive will become negative. And when you will do negative sign here, sign of both the terms will change. This will get cancelled. Here what you are left with? Minus b cube over y, because you can't add or subtract, minus a square b over y is equal to minus a square minus b square. Now, if I take LCM, in the numerator you will get this. What can be taken common? Minus b can be taken common. So, inside you are left with b square plus a square over y is equal to minus a square plus b square. I took minus common. So, children, a square plus b square and b square plus a square both are same. They will get cancelled. You are left with minus b over y is equal to, here nothing is left, minus 1. Y will be taken this side. So what is the value of y? That is b. And put this value in equation number 1. So it will be x is equal to a. Yes, ninth question, students. Cross multiply. You will obtain this. And same case which we did previous question which we have done. Take xy this side. Divide it in the same way. You will get this equation. Clear? Now again cross multiply, okay, and take xy this side. When you will divide it, you will obtain this equation. So already we have solved these kind of equations. You can complete by any method. 10th question is like this, children. So what I did, here it is 3 by 2x, here it is 3 by 4x. See, numerators are same. In place of 2x, I need 4x. So for that what I did, I multiplied this equation with 1 by 2. So this equation will become 3 over 2 2s are 4x. 2 over 3 2s are 6y is equal to minus 1 over 6. Next equation as it is, change the sign, they'll get cancelled. Then 2 over 6y minus 1 over 2y, take LCM. LCM of 6y and 2y is 2y, 6y only. After taking LCM, when you will solve it, I got the value of y and you can obtain x by putting this in any equation. Thank you.